kangaroos in Geneva? You can see all this and a lot more at the BioParc in Bellevue. Let's go check it out. Hi, I'm Chris, and in case you're new to my channel, I'm dedicated to showing you the very best things there are to do in and around the area in Geneva, Switzerland. Today we're in Bellevue, just outside of Geneva, and we're going to go check out the BioParc. Welcome to the BioParc Genève. Here in Bellevue since 1991, it's the only place in the canton where you can see animals from around 85 different species, both European and exotic. Today I'm here with my 3-year-old daughter, and we got here right when the park opened at 9:30, which turned out to be excellent timing because the animals were all being fed, which means they were nearly all out and super active. Some of our favorites that we saw were the lemurs. I mean, how cute are they? The monkeys that were so playful, the parrot that would reply bonjour to us, and this fossa, which is classified as a vulnerable mammal from Madagascar. There are just around 2,500 of these guys in the wild, so it was really special to see one of them here. Though honestly, my daughter was just as charmed by the goats. I guess she's easy to please. The facilities here are a little rustic, but one of the things that makes the BioParc really special is that you can get up super close to many of the animals. In some of the areas, there's no fencing separating you from them, so you can walk freely amongst kangaroos, peacocks, and other birds. It's a really immersive and unique experience. And if you're not so into animals, there's a special feature here at the BioParc that I think you're gonna like. Let me show you. The BioParc is located right before the Geneva International Airport runway, and landing crafts fly close overhead every 5 minutes or so. It's pretty incredible. So cool, right? The BioParc also has more than just animal viewing. There are several activities for both the young and old available for additional fees. For those who want a more in-depth experience, guided tours of the BioParc are available, and you can also participate in feeding lemurs, macaws, or other animals. There's also opportunities to meet camels, reptiles, meerkats up close too. It's really fun and also helps highlight the important work of the staff who are working on projects related to nature conservation and helping to further the efforts to protect the endangered species found here. Visiting the BioParc is perfect for families. It's compact and easy to explore in just an hour or two. Strollers are allowed in some areas, but you'll have to park them to go inside the enclosures, so be prepared to leave them at the entrance of certain sections. But if you want to stay and make a little bit more of a day of it, there's also several shady areas for picnicking, as well as a little gift shop with cute toys, and a cafe with coffee, cold drinks, small snacks, and popsicles. The BioParc is open 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., and it's even open on holidays. It's completely free, so definitely come check it out. And if you like checking out this spot in Geneva, I go to places all the time, and I'm going to be posting them here on my YouTube channel. So definitely like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Bye!